Hi guys, today we are going to solve this complex number question. If alpha and beta belongs to complex numbers are the distinct roots of equation x square minus x plus 1 equals to 0, then alpha to the power 101 plus beta to the power 107 is equals to. So first let's start by finding out the roots of the given equation, that is x square minus x plus 1 equals to 0, using minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So we have b equals to minus 1 plus minus b square, that is minus 1 square, minus 4 into 1 into 1 upon 2 into a, that is 1. So solving this we get minus 1 plus minus under root 3 upon 2. We can write this as minus 1 upon 2 plus minus under root 3 by 2. So the roots alpha and beta are minus 1 by 2 plus root 3 by 2 and minus 1 by 2 minus root 3 by 2 respectively. So as we can see, these are similar to the cube roots of unity, that is 1 omega and omega square. So with this we can say omega equals to minus 1 upon 2 plus root 3 by 2. If we take minus common, we get 1 upon 2 minus root 3 by 2, and omega square becomes minus 1 upon 2 minus root 3 by 2. Taking minus common, 1 upon 2 plus root 3 by 2. This is plus and plus. Okay, now so as we can clearly see, w is equals to minus alpha minus beta, and omega square is equals to minus alpha. And omega square equals to minus beta. Sorry. Alpha. Let's clear this up a little bit. Okay. So now we have omega and omega square. Now let's come to the equation we have to find. So alpha to the power 101 plus beta to the power 107 can be written as minus omega square to the power 101 plus omega minus omega to the power 107. So we can simplify this, bringing 101 inside, we get 1 omega to the power 202 plus minus omega to the power 107. Taking minus common, we have omega to the power 202 plus omega to the power 107. Now to simplify this, we also know that omega to the power 3 and n being an integer is always equals to 1. So we can simplify this 202 and write it in terms of 3's multiple. So we get omega to the power 201 into omega plus omega to the power 105 into omega squared. So now we have omega to the power 3 was 67 into omega plus omega to the power 3 35 into omega squared. So omega cube is, as we figured out, omega cube is equals to 1 to the power anything. So 1 into omega plus 1 into omega square equals to, now there is another complex number property, that is 1 plus omega square is always equals to 0. So with this we can find out omega plus omega square equals to minus 1. So we can say minus of omega plus omega square is equals to minus 1, which is equals to plus 1. So the correct answer to this question is option A, 1.